Welcome to Tungal First PU online classes. Yesterday we discussed the Newton's law of gravitation or universal law of gravitation. We have discussed. Today we will discuss the vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. This is also very important here. Now I am writing here vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. Vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. Okay, here we are consider the two bodies, that is A comma B, having the mass m1 and m2. Right here two bodies I am consider A and B. Can draw big one also, A and B. Just here I am taking here small masses I am consider. That is I am consider the two masses. That is here A and B. Two bodies I am consider A and B. The two bodies having the masses m1 and m2. Their masses are m1 comma m2. Now these two masses I am consider as m1 and m2. Here this is having the mass is m1, this is having the mass is m2. They are separated by a distance r. R is the distance between the two masses. They are separated by a, what is here, a distance r. R is the distance between the two masses. Now I am consider here, let r12 cap, this is called as a unit vector. R12 cap is a unit vector from A to B. Means in the A to B, this is a unit vector I am taking here. This is R12 cap. R12 cap is a unit vector from A to B. This is considered A to B. Now let R21 cap is a unit vector from B to A. This is unit vector from B to A. R21 cap. R21 cap is a unit vector from B to A. R12 cap is a unit vector from A to B. Clear this one? Right. Next I am writing here, let F12 bar is gravitational force. F12 bar is a gravitational force. Here what is here? Gravitational force exerted by what is here? Gravitational force exerted on, not by here, exerted on A body by body B. Body B. This is a gravitational force exerted on A body by body B. I am writing here. Now this is a F12 bar is a gravitational force exerted by A body by B body. Here exerted on which body? A body by which body here? Body B. Now next to this is a gravitational force exerted on A body means which body here? First body, m1 body. That is I am writing here 1. Exerted on which body? A body. That's the reason first I am writing 1. A body means m1 body. By B body. B body means what is there? M2 body. That's the reason I am writing 2 after. 1 after 2 I am writing. It is exerted on A body by B body. So A body having the mass m1, B body having the mass m2. That's the reason I am writing F12. F12 means gravitational force exerted on m1 body by which body are m2 body. Next here I am writing here F21 bar. Similarly here gravitational force exerted on B body by body A. Okay, clear. This is gravitational force exerted on B body by body B. Means B body means M2 body. Here exerted on M2 body by which body here? M1 body. That's the reason I am writing here F21. M2 body means second body. Here M1 body means first body. Here exerted on A body by B body means here A body means M1 body means first body. Here M2 body means second body. Right, means gravitational force exerted on first body due to second body. Here gravitational force exerted on second body due to first body. This is the meaning of these two. Right, now we can understand clearly. Again I am drawing the one diagram. When drawing the diagram we can understand clearly. Now these force directions also we are giving here. First, here A to B. The diagram again I am drawing here. This is A to B. This is A to B I am consider. Now this is a A. This is what is here B. Now this is having the mass M1. This is having the mass M2. Now I want to give the direction of F12 bar. Right, F12 bar is a gravitational force exerted on A body by B body. Here force acting on A body due to which body? B body. Means this B body is attracting the A body. Gravitational force is attraction force. Attraction force means here on the A body due to which body here force is acting due to B body. So B body is attracting the A body because here on the A body who is exerting the force? B body is exerting the force. Clear here. Means here on the A body the gravitational force is acting due to B body. So the B body is attracting the A body. So that's the reason I am writing here F12 is a gravitational force exerted on A body by B body. So that is F12 bar. F12 bar direction I am giving in this direction. Why giving in this direction means B body is attracting the A body. On the A body here the force is acting due to B body. So B body is attracting the A body. That's the reason we are giving in this direction. Clearly understand this one. But unit vector, what is the unit vector we can take here? Here the force acting on A body due to which body? B body. The force exerted on A body due to which body? B body. So the unit vector takes from B to A. Because of who is acting the gravitational force on the A body? B body. Due to the B body, gravitational force is acting on the A body. That's the reason the unit vector I am taking from B to A. B to A unit vector already we know that. That is what is here? R21 cap. Clearly listen. When force F12 bar is taken, unit vector R12 bar is we are writing. Because of force direction is in the direction of the what is here? B. Why in the direction of the B means? Here B is attracting the A body. Here who is acting the force on the A body? B is due to the B, the force is acting on the A body. Here who applying the force on A body? B body is applying the force on A body. That's the reason we are taking the unit vector from B to A. Means the force acting on A body due to which body? B body. The force direction also taking in the direction of the B. The unit vector I am consider from B to A. Clear this one. Very very important here. Now we observe here F12 bar, R21 bar, both are in the opposite direction. Now I am writing the force. How to write the force here? That force F12 bar can be written as, force is nothing but a magnitude into unit vector. Magnitude of the force formula we know that G into M1 M2 by R square. This is the magnitude of the force. That is as usual I am writing here G into M1 M2 by R square. Why writing the R square means the distance between A and B is what is here? Already we know that the distance between the A and B is R, we know that. That is also I am drawing here R. Now writing the force here. That force I am writing here. That I am writing here F12 bar is equal to, here F12 bar is equal to can be written as G into, the magnitude already we know that here G into M1 M2 by R square. This is a magnitude. Here this is any vector can be written as magnitude into unit vector, but unit vector what is considered here? R21 cap. This is a magnitude, this is a unit vector. Magnitude, suppose A bar is a one vector, I am writing 2i. 2 is called as a magnitude, here I cap is a unit vector. A bar is equal to 2 into I cap. Any vector can be written as, vector is equal to, what is here formula? Magnitude into unit vector. Magnitude into unit vector. Here magnitude is G into m1 m2 by r square. Unit vector I am taking from B to A, because here B body is attracting the A body, that's the reason the unit vector taking from B to A. This force direction I am taking in this direction because B body is attracting the A body, so force direction I am taking here. But observe here, these two are in the opposite direction. These two are opposite direction means I am taken as a, what is here? Minus. Minus represents the, here this is a gravitational force, is attractive force. That's the reason here coming minus. Another reason I am saying that here F12 bar and R21 bar both are in the opposite direction. Similarly, listen clearly. F12 bar taking, here what is here? R21 bar is coming. Here clearly listen, here we can, here what is here? Keep in our mind here, this is. Here 1 2 is coming, here 2 1 is coming, unit in the unit vector. Okay, next. This is completed as gravitational force exerted on A body by B body. Means gravitational force acting on A body due to B body. Now next I am taking here, this is given to the equation number 1. Next I am writing next same diagram I am again drawing here. This is, what is here? A, B. This is having the mass m1. This is having the mass m2. Now the distance between them is r. Here I am drawing the again diagram because of understanding purpose, clearly understanding purpose. Now next what is there? Gravitational force exerted on B body by body A. Means gravitational force acting on a B body due to which body? A body. Means here gravitational force is acting on this body. This body is attracted by the A body. That's the reason the force direction I am giving here. This is F21 bar, because here B body is attracted by A body. And the B body, due to which body force is acting here? Due to A body. The force acting on a B body due to A body means A body is attracting the B body. So force direction we are giving in this direction. Here the force acting on a B body due to which body? A body. That's the reason we are taking the unit vector from A to B. So unit vector from A to B means I am taken as, this is A to B unit vector. Already we know that A to B unit vector is equal to R12 cap. Again, once again I am explaining clear, listen. Here I want to find the force. This is F21 bar is called as a force acting on a gravitational force acting on a B body due to A body. Means A body is attracting the B body. So force direction we are giving in this direction. Here on the B body, here on the B body due to which body the force is acting? Due to A body is acting. That's the reason unit vector I am considered from A to B. Means due to A body the gravitational force is acting on B body. So unit vector taking from A to B. Here that B body is attracting the A body. That's the reason force direction we are giving in the opposite direction. Okay, this is the reasons. Now here now I am writing here. This is F21 bar also I am writing here. This is F21 bar is equal to minus G into M1 M2 by magnitude into unit vector. In the unit vector what is considered here? R12 cap. Okay, right, this is given to the equation number 2. This writing is very important here. Here when the F12 bar is taking unit vector R21 bar, because opposite unit vector we can take here. Here F21 bar taking, here we are taking the unit vector is R12 cap. Clear listen, because gravitational force is attractive. Okay, up to this one is completed here. Now I am explaining once again, any vector can be written as its magnitude into unit vector. Any vector can be written as its magnitude into unit vector. Now R12 bar is a vector. This can be written as its magnitude into unit vector. Its magnitude is R12 bar. Its unit vector is R12 cap. Here mod R12 bar represents a magnitude. This is called as a unit vector. Vector is equal to magnitude into unit vector. Clear here? Next, this is I am writing as here, what is here? R12 bar. R12 bar magnitude means that is the distance between here A to B or M1 body to M2 body. M1 body to M2 body, that is magnitude, nothing but what is here? It represents the distance. It is a scalar. It is a scalar means the distance between A and B. The distance between A and B, that is R12 bar is a mod of R12 bar is a distance between A to B. This mod R12 bar is represents the distance between A to B. So distance between A to B already we know that is R into R12 cap. Clear? Similarly, I am writing here, this is another one. R21 bar also can be written as its magnitude into unit vector. Its magnitude is R21 bar mod nothing but a magnitude. Its unit vector, that is also I am taken as R12 cap. Clear? This is 2 I am writing here. Any vector can be written as magnitude into unit vector. Right? That is I am writing R12 bar is equal to, here what is there? R12 bar is equal to R into R12 cap. This is a mod of R12 bar is represents the distance between A and B, or distance between M1 and M2. Distance between M1 and M2 is R. Similarly, here also I am writing here R21 bar, mod R21 bar. Mod R21 bar means the distance between M2 and M1. Distance between M2 and M1 also R. So what is I am writing here? R into R21 cap. Okay? Listen once again. Any vector can be written as magnitude into unit vector. R12 bar is nothing but that is the magnitude of the, here what is a vector that represents the distance between distance between the M1 and M2 body. The distance between the M1 and M2 body is R into R12 cap. Here R21 bar also written as its magnitude into unit vector. Mod R21 bar is represents the distance between the M2 and M1. Distance between M2 and M1. M2 and M1 also distance is R. So R into R21 cap. Means mod R12 bar represents the distance between M1 and M2. Mod R21 bar represents the distance between M2 and M1. That is the same. That value is R. So from this we are writing here R is equal to, can be written as mod R12 bar. R is equal to mod R12 bar. Next, this R is equal to mod R21 bar. Mod R21 bar. Okay, up to this one understanding is very, very important here. Right, here R is equal to mod R12 bar. Here R is equal to mod R21 bar. Right, this is we are written. Now from equation, here equation 1 I am now changing here. How changing the equation 1? See here. Equation 1 I am changing as a, now F12 bar is equal to minus G into M1 M2 by, here what is there? R I am writing here, this is R21 cap is there. So here also I am writing R can be written as mod R21 bar. Why writing like this? Here R21 cap is there, so also distance also I am writing here mod R21 bar is equal to R. In the place of the R, mod R21 bar I am writing. Next, this is R21 cap as usual. This is given to the equation number 3. Okay. Now this is from equation 2. From equation 1. Now from equation 2 also I am writing. From equation 2 also now I am changing here. See. Here F21 bar can be written as minus G into M1 M2 by, minus G into M1 M2 by, here what is here? R12 cap is there. So in the place of the R I am writing mod R12 bar. Mod R12 bar whole square into R12 cap. Means listen, here in the place of the R I am written as a mod R21 cap, mod R21 bar. In the place of the R I am writing here mod R21 bar. Here in the place of the R I am writing here mod R12 bar. Mod what is here? R12 bar. In the place of the R, I am writing here mod R12 bar. That is, I am writing same here. Listen clearly once again. In the place of the R, I am writing here mod R21 bar. Here, this is in the place of the R, I am writing here mod R12 bar. Right, square is there, as usual square we are writing. Right, this is given to the equation number 4. Okay, clear up to this one. Understanding is very, very, very important. Now, listen. Next to now listen here. That equation here, equation 4 I am now changing now. Equation 4 I am changing now here. That is the equation 4 I am changing. F12 bar is equal to minus G into M1 M2 by mod R12 bar whole square into R12 cap is a. This equation now I am changing. How I am changing now this equation? See here. Listen. Here already I removed the diagram. Again I am showing here simply. Here A, B. The distance between them is R. We know that. Here A to B unit vector is R12 cap. B to A unit vector is R21 cap. Already we know that this diagram. Observe here R12 cap, R12 cap and R21 cap. R12 cap and R21 cap. Both are in which direction? Opposite direction. These are the vectors, unit vectors. Both are in opposite direction. That's the reason I am writing here. Both are in opposite direction is there. So I am writing here. This can be written as here. This is R12 cap. I am changes as the minus of R21 cap because these two are the unit vectors. Both are in opposite direction. In the diagram you can observe here. In the diagram, this is A to B unit vector is here R12 cap. B to A unit vector is R21 cap. Here both are in opposite direction. So I am writing minus because these are the vectors. Directions also considered. Here mod R21 bar is equal to mod R2. Here mod R12 bar is there. Here mod R12 bar I am written as mod R21 bar. Both are the equal. So now I am changing the equation. Here this is again I am taken here. This is a mod R12 bar is equal to mod R21 bar. These two are I am changing here. I am going very slowly here. This is I am changing now. Now from this I am written as here F12 bar is equal to can be written as the G into M1 M2 by mod R12. Mod R12 bar is equal to mod R21 bar whole square as usual writing. R12 cap is equal to minus of R21 cap. Clearly listen. Here R21 cap is equal to minus of R12 cap is there. Here R12 cap is equal to minus of R21 cap. In the place of the R12 cap I am changing as a minus of R21 cap. Here mod R12 in the place of the mod R12 I am written as mod R21. Mod R21 I am changing this one. Okay. Now here F21 bar can be written as here this minus I am taking front side, remaining as usual I am keeping. Here minus G into this minus taking outside. G into 2 minus is there, 1 minus taking outside. Minus G into M1 M2 by mod R12 bar whole square as usual writing. Here R21 cap. Okay. Clear this one. Now from this F21 bar is equal to see here. Now observe the equation 3. In the equation 3 this value is same is there. So from the equation 3 we are writing this can be written as F12 bar. This value minus g into m1 m2 by mod r2 1 bar whole square into r2 1 cap can be written as f12 bar. So this is already here minus is there. Remaining this can be written as f12 bar. This is called as vector form of what is here? Newton's law of gravitation. Right. Here what is here? Here observe here. This can be written as f2 bar is equal to minus f12 bar, or you can write like this also, minus taking here. You can write this one also. f12 bar is equal to minus of f21 bar. You can write like this also when taking the minus here. These two are represents the action and reaction pair. Action and reaction pair means this is the here observe here. This is a force acting on m1 body due to m2 body. This is a force acting on m2 body due to m1 body. Means both are in a what is their magnitude is the same, but in the which direction? Opposite direction. That's the reason this can form the action and reaction pair. This is called as what is here? Newton's law of what is here? Vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. Clear up to this one is right. Now here listen here. This is just we are changing here. Here already we know that two equations, equation 1, equation 2, we know that. In the equation 1 just we are changing here, in the place of the r I am written as what is here, in the place of the r I am written as a what is here, r is equal to, we know that here mod r2 1 bar whole square into r2 1 cap. In the place of the equation 2 also, in the place of the r I am written as what is here, mod r12 bar whole square into r12 cap. As usual I am keeping. Now I am taking the equation 4 as usual. Here minus g into m1 m2 by mod r12 square into what is there, r12 cap. But r12 cap is equal to minus r21 cap, because both are in opposite direction unit vectors. These are the vectors. Consider the directions also. So minus I am writing this one. Here what is here, in the place of the r12 cap is equal to minus of r21 cap. Now mod r12 bar, here mod r12 bar can be written as mod r21 bar, because of mod r12 bar is equal to mod r21 bar. Both are the equal. That is I am writing here. Here this is minus is taking common. The remaining value we are getting this value from equation 3. Here what is here, equation 3, what we know that here, that is I am writing from equation 3. This is I am writing from the equation 3. What is I am writing the equation 3? This is I am writing from equation 3. From equation 3 this value represents the f12 bar. Here this is called as what is here, vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. Vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. Right. Next I am consider the here again equation 4 I am consider. Here next I am consider the equation 4. Equation 4 already we know that one again I am consider here. Here this is completed. Next extending of this vector form. Now I am taking the what is here, equation 4 again. Listen, from equation 4 I am taking the again equation 4. What is the equation 4 is there? f12 bar is equal to minus g into m1 m2 by mod r12 bar. Right. From equation 4 again consider I am into r12 cap. That is extending of the vector form. Again another form I am writing. Right, listen very carefully, listen here. Now here we know that here r12 bar is equal to, I am showing here r12 bar is equal to mod r12 bar is equal to mod r12 bar into r12 cap. I want to find the r12 cap. Suppose I want to find the r12 cap is equal to, can be written as from this r12 cap is equal to r12 bar by mod r12 bar. Here this is r12 cap is equal to r12 bar by mod r12 bar. Here I want to substitute that value here. Now R12 bar cap. In this value I am substituting here. This value I am substituting here. Now what is we are getting here? F12 bar is equal to minus G into M1 M2 by minus G into M1 M2 by mod R12 bar. Mod R12 bar into this can be I am changes as, now this can be written as a, here what is I am writing here, R12 bar by mod R12 bar. Clear this one, right? Now this is I am writing the equation F12 bar, just in the place of the R12 cap I am written as, here what is here, R12 bar by mod R12 bar, that is I am writing here. Now that is I am writing here equal to minus G into M1 M2 by mod R12 bar whole square. Here mod R12 bar whole square into mod R12 bar is equal to mod R12 bar whole cube into what is here, R12 bar. This is another form we are writing, right? That is the equation 4 completed. This is given to the equation number 5. Okay. Now next I am changing this one also. How I am changing, see here. Now listen, here R12 cap I am written as R12 bar by mod R12 bar. This already we know that, from this I am writing. Now when substituting this one, we are getting this one. Here mod R12 bar whole square into mod R12 bar is equal to mod R12 bar whole cube. Now listen here, this is I am changing now. Here this is a unit vector of M1 mass. Here this is I am taken as a unit vector of the, this is a vector, this is a position vector of the M1 mass, position vector of the M1 mass, that is I am considered as a R1 bar, that is R1 bar. Next to I am considered the here B body, this is having the mass M2, already we know that, its a position vector I am considered as a R2 bar. These are the position vectors. Now here A to B, already we know that A to B unit vector is R12 cap. Unit vector R12 cap means vector also can be written as A to B R12 bar. That can be written as R12 bar. Here this is the position vector direction we are taking here. Here A, what is the M1 body position vector is R1 bar we are taking here. This is the position vector of the B body or M2 body. Right. Here A body position vector is R1 bar, B body position vector is R2 bar. Here A to B, here what is here, vector I am taken as R12 bar. Why taking means A to B position vector is R12 cap is there. When multiplying the position, here this is a to B, what is their unit vector is R12 cap is there. This unit vector is multiplied with its magnitude, it gives a position vector or vector. Right, this is a vector I am taken as R12 bar from A to B. Now from this I am writing here, now I am applying that here what is a triangle's law of vector addition. We know that here in the vector addition triangle's law we know that. That is I am applying the triangle's law of vector addition. We know that that one is, this is a triangle I am considered. This is a vector is A bar, this vector is B bar, this vector is C bar. These two are in the same direction, this is in the opposite direction. So can be written as C bar is equal to, we know that formula, A bar plus B bar. Same direction it will be there, that is adding, that is equal to the what is there, opposite direction vector. So C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. We know that this is a what is there, triangle of vector addition. From this triangle of vector addition now I am applying here. Now what is I am writing here, R1 bar plus this is, these two are same direction, this is in the opposite direction. R1 bar plus R12 bar is equal to R2 bar. Same direction, what are the same direction vectors is there, that is adding, that is making the adding and making equal to the opposite direction vector. These two are adding, this is making equal to the opposite direction vector is R2 bar. From this R12 bar is equal to, we are getting here R2 bar minus R1 bar. Okay, that is R12 bar we are getting. That R12 bar value I am substituting here. We can get the another form that can be written as F21 bar is equal to minus G into M1 M2 by here mod R12. What is here? Mod R12 whole cube. Mod R12 whole cube means R12 is equal to, already know that, mod R2 minus R1 bar whole cube. Just R12 place I am writing R2 minus R1. Here also I am writing here R2 minus R1. This is for F12 bar. Similarly you can write here, that is I am writing here. Similarly we can write the F12 bar also. F12 bar also here minus G into M1 M2 by here R2 minus R1 there. Here what is getting here? R1 minus R2. Here R1 bar minus R2 bar whole square. Here R2 minus R1, that is R1 minus R2. Here into here what is here? R1 minus R2 bar. This similarly we are writing. This is given to equation number 6. This is given to equation number 7. These are the another form of vectors law. Vector, what is here? Vector form. This is another vector forms we are consider. This is here another form of the, what is here? Another different forms we are taking for the vector form of Newton's law of gravitation. Right? These are the another vector forms. That is what is here? Equation 6 and equation 7. Okay, thank you. This is what is here? Vector form of Newton's law of gravitation.